To complete the KYC process on Quotex, follow these steps to verify your identity and gain access to additional features like withdrawals. Log into your Quotex account. Visit the Quotex platform and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one. Go to Profile Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Locate KYC section. In your account settings, look for the Verification or KYC section. This is where you can begin the verification process. Upload required documents. Identity verification. You will need to upload a government-issued ID. Proof of address. Provide a recent document showing your name and address. The document should be dated within the last 3 months. Selfie verification. Some platforms may require you to take a selfie holding your ID to verify your identity visually. Submit for review. After uploading the necessary documents, submit them for review. Quotex will process your KYC request. Wait for approval. Quotex will notify you once your KYC is approved. This may take a few hours to a couple of days.